not used in today's networks. Basically, the main reason is the number of interfaces. So that is one of the main reason, because if I have 5 VLANs, then basically I need 5 physical gateways, right? So the gateways, you need a gateway for each and every VLAN, and if I'm using a separate interface, which means I need a separate interface for each VLAN. So once you exceed this number, then basically, let's say my router supports 5 physical interfaces, let's say, which means I can go with the five gateways. But what if I add 2 more VLANs in the future? Then basically, you cannot do anything here. So which means we need to add 2 more interfaces or add an additional slot. That's really not scalable. So, or you need to upgrade the router. These are the other options. So it requires multiple physical interfaces basically for connection. This is the main drawback, and not widely used because of this main reason. Okay, so even though it is not used, I just discussed this just to understand how the inter-VLAN routing works. But if you are going in a production scenarios, this is really not a preferred method, because the number of physical interfaces will automatically increase depending upon the number of VLANs we are using.